Sometimes you just never know. I guess it's just part of the game. This seemed like a really nice tree, but on the inside there's about like a 3 inches, 4 inches of wood here that's good, but it started just to rot on the inside. So if I wouldn't have cutting it down, well, probably would have fell over like next year or something. So yeah, I'll try to make little cookies out of it, see how rotten it is. Hopefully it's not that bad. Well, it doesn't look too bad, but yeah. See, it's still a little bit punky. There's like this side here, but this is great. Hopefully the rest is good, because I have at least 4 or 5 logs in here. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I took the branches off a good 40 feet, 50 feet maybe. There's still about 20 feet to go, I would say, of good log. The trees here are very tall. A bug flew in my eye. But yeah, just so you guys understand what I'm doing this year, or for this project, the workshop, I'll show you guys what I have in mind. I know I won't be able to like draw it out or anything, but I'll try my best to explain it. So yeah, this is going to be pretty much like a narrative video. I'm going to explain what I'm doing instead of the normal like quiet ones that I do. I don't really know how to explain very good or anything, but I'll try my best. So I have this log, which is going to be good for quite a few logs, but the design I'm going for this time for the workshop isn't going to be like the cabin. I'm going pretty much even more wood, time, and cost effective. So you know, I'm trying to finish it in a timely manner, same thing kind of as the cabin, but I'm trying to use way less logs. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about right now. Working on it last time I was here, and I kind of changed projects a little bit. So if you guys remember, this log was full here, and I would need a, like I mentioned at the end of the video, a large door. If I would want, you know, bring in wood, like a wheelbarrow or anything, even put my snowmobile, I would need a larger door. So I did some research and I looked at quite a few you know, old trapping style cabins, like the 1800s and 1900s, and a lot of them have kind of like a lean-to shelter in the back that's not chinked or anything, so it was just for wood to dry and everything, and go store traps and stuff. So that's what I'm trying to do. So my idea is, you guys can't really see right now, but this, I cut this with the saw, and the only thing that's going to be here now is short logs up to maybe around my height here, since I'll give you guys an angle before, but I'll have a sloped roof. So move over here. You guys can't really see this, but this wall here will be maybe 3 or 4 logs high, so maybe 3 or 4 more than it is here, and that's going to be it, since it's going to follow the same slope as the cabin. The roof itself is going to be very short, like the height of the workshop is going to be shorter than the cabin, but since there's no floor, it's going to have the illusion that it's going to be, you know, a whole lot higher. So the roof pretty much is going to come in at an angle sloped. So yeah, that's my plan for this. I'll give you guys another angle. Okay, so here's pretty much the rear view of everything. So this is going to be the back wall, and like I mentioned, this might be only about this high because I want to slope the roof of the cabin. The only place that there's going to be 10-foot logs is going to be the wall beside the little hill right here. That's going to be full length logs, and I'll need quite a few on this wall, so I'll need more trees. But here, since I'm going about only 3-4 more logs, maybe about this high, it's not going to be a big problem. And here it's maybe like a 4 or 5 foot log, so in one tree you could probably do like 10 logs, so that's not really a big issue. And then again, now it all comes down to planning, because I'll stack up the logs and I'll say, okay, well, like I'll stop here, I'll put a rope from there to this log, and I'll need to take my saw and cut it. So I don't have to like pin them down as much once I get to the top, because I need to remember that I need to cut them at an angle to have the slope that I want for the roof.
va juste. Tu sais, par en dedans. Enfin, un peu par l'extérieur. Pas mal. Pas mal. Tout est là, toi.